Good one here, boys. Really good. That is a toad. Giant. Look at how he ate that frog. No tail on there, but he crushed it. Look at that. No tail, but he still just hammered it. Just a great fish. Let's get a weight on this big beast. Three and a half. Just a great fish. Very chunky. 3.5 pounds. Let's get 19.5 inches. It's a great Wisconsin largemouth. Alrighty, I'm not sure how much of that you guys saw on video. That was a great fish, biggest one that I caught out of here all year. This is only a 50-acre lake that I'm fishing in, so a 3.5 pounder is a great fish. So what happened there, I casted my little frog, the one with no legs, over that little clump of grass. I casted it right over there. I couldn't see my frog, I just heard a little splash. All of a sudden my line started running away from over that clump of grass. Set the hook on him and boom, I nailed him. Just a great fish. Got him. Best. Look at the belly on that thing. He's got a big bluegill in there or something. Four pounds. Another 20-incher right there.